In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can start trading and making money through Web3 on the Bybit platform. I'll be showing you how to make money through spot trading on Bybit Web3. I'll show you how you can start getting passive income every day through Bybit Web3. I'll also be showing you more ways to make money through Bybit Web3 and more things you can do through Bybit Web3. All of these things I'll be showing you in this video. So please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, I'm on the home page of the Bybit platform. And if you want to go straight to the Bybit Web3 page, you come here to where it says trade at the top right here. And then you come down, you can see where it says Web3. And you can see beside it right here, it says new. This means that there are so many new updates to Web3 on the Bybit platform that you really enjoy. I'll be showing you everything in this video. And by the way, if you want to go ahead and trade Web3, just use the link directly in the description of this video. Now, let me continue. So if you want to go to the Web3 page, just click on Web3 right here. And right here on the screen is the Bybit Web3 page. Now, here's the first thing I love about the Web3 on Bybit. Now, if you come here, it says trade with your unified trading account balance, no back and forth, no gas token needed. What does that mean? This means that if you already have some money that you're using to trade in your unified trading account on Bybit, you can directly use that money or the funds you have there to trade. So you don't need to be transferring money from one part to another part before you can trade on the Bybit Web3 page. I hope you understand. And secondly, no gas token needed. So you don't need any gas token for anything. So if you're into Web3, then Bybit is definitely the right place you should be trading your cryptocurrencies. And another thing is that you don't even need to connect any wallet or maybe create any wallet before you can go ahead and trade on the Bybit Web3 page. That's another good thing about it. There is no back and forth. There is no unnecessary process. It's just straight to the point. And if you go ahead and scroll down on this page, you will see where it says new coin sniper right here. And to show you some cryptocurrencies right here that are currently new to the market and they are currently doing good. So it will show you right here. So if you want to go ahead and trade any of these cryptocurrencies, just click on trade right here. I will also show you how to trade cryptocurrencies on the Bybit Web3 page. It is simple. Just make sure you keep watching. So you can trade any of these two cryptocurrencies. Don't forget, these cryptocurrencies are new cryptocurrencies that are doing good. And you can see right here, this Asta bot, it was created just less than 7 days ago. And this back work right here, it was created 18 days ago. So it will show you when the coins were created right there. So if you want to go ahead and plug into these cryptocurrencies right here, maybe you want to go ahead and buy this coin early, you can go ahead and do that through Bybit Web3. And if you keep scrolling up again, you will see this part that says Alt Token Screener right here. So this way you can also see more cryptocurrencies that are new. So you can see that Asta bot right here. It is the first one on the list here, and you can see the backwork right here. So those are the two cryptocurrencies here. These are new cryptocurrencies that have just been added to the Bybit Web3 page. So you can see all of these coins right here. These ones are for alt tokens. If you want to see new listed, they're almost the same thing. These are coins that were just newly listed on the Bybit Web3 page too. If you come here to WSOT, these are coins that are being traded mostly for the WSOT competition on Bybit. And if you come to stocks right here, so if you want to trade stocks, you can do that on the Bybit Web3 platform. So you can see you can trade on Tesla stocks and other stocks right here. So if you are into stocks, you can do that on Web3 on Bybit. And if you come here to trending here, this will show you the new coins that are currently trending. So you can see Astabot and Backwork too. And these are the two coins here. So again, you see those coins right here. So you can see different categories of these new cryptocurrencies on the Bybit Web3 page. Now, let me show you how you can be making money by doing spot trading on Web3 on the Bybit platform. And don't forget, I'll still be showing you how to make passive income every day. That is still coming in this video. So please don't forget to like this video and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and trade a coin. You can just come right here and trade any of these new coin snipers right here. Or let's say, for example, you want to pick a coin under these alt tokens. I just come right here and pick any cryptocurrency of your choice to trade. So let me just pick this Astabot, for example. So let's say, for example, I want to trade Astabot. I'll just come right here and click on trade. Now, once you click on trade, it will bring you to this page. So this is the page where you can now do the spot trading. So on this side of the screen, you will see the coin you are trading, which is Astabot. It is basically just like the normal spot trading page on Bybit or any exchange. And right here, you'll be able to see the current price of that coin. So the current price of this coin is about $0.000197 right there. So you can be able to see the coin there. And also you can see the 24-hour percentage. So in the last 24 hours, it has gone up by 6% in the last 24 hours. So you can be able to see more information information right here, and we want to see the market cap. So you can see the market cap right here. This is the market cap. That's $197,000. If you come here to orders will show you the number of people holding this coin. So right now, 1,600 people are currently holding this coin, and 24-hour volume, that is the volume of the coin that has been traded in the last 24 hours, that's $61.88 thousand. So you can see more information about a particular coin that you want to trade right here on this page. So let's, for example, we want to pick another coin to trade. You can just come here to show you more coins right here. So you can see the categories: alt, new listed, WSOT, and so on right here, stocks and trending coins. So you can pick any of these cryptocurrencies and trade. So back to Astabot. Let's say we want to trade Astabot right now. Right here, you will see the chart. So let's, for example, we want to see how the coin has been performing. So let's go back. Remember, it was created just less than 7 days ago. So this is when it was created. It started going up and later it started coming down. And right now, it has just been ranging at this point. So you'll be able to see the flow of that coin right there. And don't forget, these are new cryptocurrencies that have just been created. So that means that they will always most likely come down at first before they start even going back up again. So that's why this movement is like this. I'm very sure you have been in Web3 for so long, you should be used to this kind of movement. But if you are new, you might be shocked to see a cryptocurrency move really down like this and start ranging at this point. That is how most new cryptocurrencies always move. So take note of that. It can be really profitable and it can be really risky. Take note of that. So again, let's say you want to do spot trading to trade and make money with this coin. You come here to where it says buy. So if you want to buy the coin, you click on buy. But let's say, for example, you bought the coin before and it has gone up. That's when you come to sell. But now that we haven't bought the coin at all, you want to trade it, you come here to buy. So once you come here to buy, you come here to where it says you pay. Now, this part where it says you pay is where you enter the amount you want to use to buy the coin. So let's say, for example, you want to buy this coin at, let's say, $50. You put $50 right there. Now, after putting $50, you can see it says above maximum order amount. Now, it means that this $50 is above the maximum amount you can use to buy this coin. So every cryptocurrency on the Bybit Web3 page, they have the minimum that you can use to buy. So let's reduce this $50 to, let's say, $30. So you put $30 right there. See the same thing, above maximum order amount. So let's put $10. So if you put $10, there's no error message. So that means that you can use $10. And you can see right here, it has brought out the amount of coin you're going to be receiving. So you can see estimated received is about 48,597 Astabot. That's the amount of that coin you'll be receiving. So once you've seen that, just come here and click on buy. I can see right here to show you the summary of your order. So once you've seen everything, just come again and click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, just like that, you've bought this Astabot coin. You bought about 48,500 of this Astabot coin. So if the coin goes up in price, you come back to sell it and make money. Now, before I show you how to sell it to get back your capital and your profit, look at what is written down here. It says once purchased, on-chain assets can't be withdrawn or transferred. You can still trade or stake them for rewards. Let me explain. So what this means is that once you buy a coin right here, you cannot transfer it to another person or maybe withdraw that coin. No, if you want to withdraw that coin or get off that coin, you need to come back to this page and sell it and get back your USDT. It's as simple as that. So don't be scared about anything you're seeing right here. Or maybe you can now stake that coin. You can stake that coin to get interest on that coin. I will still be showing you how to do that. So you can basically do it that way, whichever one. But you cannot withdraw that coin or you cannot transfer it to another person. I hope you understand. So let's, for example, you've bought this coin, maybe it has gone up, it has pumped, and you want to sell it and take your capital and your profit. You then come here to where it says sell. This sell part right here. So once you put sell, you see the amount of that coin that you have. So right now I have 48,532 Astabot. So if you want to sell everything, let's say you want to sell all the coins that you bought, you come here to this 100%. You just take it to 100% and enter it right there. And you see the amount you receive, which is about $9.6. Don't forget, we paid our trading fee for that trade. That's why it's about $9.6 right now. And it is going up and down. So if you want to go ahead and sell it, just come right here and click on sell. So if I click on sell right there, it will come here and show me the summary of that transaction. So I'll be receiving $9.6. So once you've seen that, just click on confirm. And just like that, you sold the cryptocurrency. So it is simple and straightforward. It doesn't have any back and forth or any unnecessary process. Like I said, it is simple and straightforward. So that's a simple way you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies to make money on the Web3 platform on Bybit. If you are finding this video valuable, please don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. And please don't forget to drop a comment below. Let me know if you have been doing Web3 before. Maybe you are new to Web3 and you are thinking of trying it out, because Web3 can be really profitable, but it is also risky. So let me know if it's something you are looking to try out, or if it's something you have so much experience in. And you can also share your experience in the comment section below. Thank you. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how you can start earning daily rewards on the Bybit Web3 page. Now, for you to do this, you come right here to the top and come here to where you have more. And then you come here and click on wallet. So I'll click on it right there. And on this page, you can see it says your gateway to Web3. It says connect wallet and so on like that. But you don't need to connect any wallet for what I'm about to show you. Now, if you scroll up, it's where it says earn up to 30+% APY stake assets for yield with just one click right there. And you can see another option that says get Web3 rewards every day. So this one, I'll be talking about it in my next video because I don't want to make this video too long. So I want to focus on this one where you can be earning passive income every day on the Bybit Web3 page. So I'll come here and click on this. And right here on the screen is where you can now stake cryptocurrencies on the Web3 page to earn passive income for yourself every day. So if we scroll up right here, you see you have different categories. You have single asset, you have stable coins, you have points, you have restake, and you have multiple assets. So let's, for example, you want to do the single asset where you just take one cryptocurrency. You see them right here. So you can see you have USD where you can earn up to 5.7% annually. You have USDC SUI where you can earn 11.87%. You have BBSOL, which is Bybit staked SOL, where you can earn 5.82%. Now, all of these coins, you can buy them on the Web3 page on Bybit. Don't forget what I just showed you, the spot trading page for Bybit. Just search for any of these coins. So let's, for example, the one you want to invest in is, let's say, this GLP, where you can earn 50.62% annually. If this is what you want, then all you just need to do is to come here to the spot trading page for that Web3 and search for the token here. So once you search for the token here, to bring it out, and then you buy that cryptocurrency. Once you buy it, you come here to this page and you now come and stake it. I hope you understand. So this amount you can earn 50.62%. So you can see the percentage for the other cryptocurrencies right here. And then this TVL, some of you want to ask, it is called total value logged. That is the total amount of money people have logged in this asset. So for this one, people have logged about $6.03 billion. For this one, people have logged $81.65 million. For this one, $457.78 million. And for this one, $22.81 million, and so on. So you can be able to see how much people are staking in these coins right here. Now, when you stake any of these cryptocurrencies right here, you start getting your rewards every day. They'll be giving you your rewards or your interest every day. That's exactly how it works. So if you have like idle money that you have in your unified trading account on Bybit, just go ahead and use it to buy any of these cryptocurrencies on the Bybit Web3 page and come here and stake it, so that every day it will be earning rewards for you, so that it's not just idle. I hope you understand. So that is how you can earn passive income daily through Bybit Web3. It is simple and straightforward. Now, for this one about airdrop, where you can get Web3 rewards every day, if you want to see that video, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be showing you a very specific and easy way for you to participate in this airdrop event, so that you can be getting rewards every single day. This one is so interesting, and I really want so many of you to actually watch this video, because you will get to learn one or two things from it. So if you want to see it, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to drop it immediately after you see this video, or maybe the next day, just let me know so that I can know that you guys are interested in the video. So I'll be dropping it for you guys. Again, I'll be showing you the easy way to participate in these airdrops on Bybit Web3. Now, if you have learned so much from this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and just in case you don't have a Bybit account, use the first link in the description of this video to create an account and go and trade and make money on the Bybit Web3 page. And in case you want to learn how to do futures trading on Bybit and make money with it, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.